meeting with ME Action. I want to thank all of those involved for that meeting. I'm also joined here by Marie Todd, Minister for Public Health, Women's Health and Sport, who's here too. And both of us are going to continue to engage with you. I think we hear a few key messages really loud and really clear. One, your desire, your want and your need for specialist services. So we're taking that one away, trying to understand better where the gaps in the services exist. Because I'm not going to argue with you, there's gaps in the service that should be provided to you, that aren't being provided to you. There's a question there around specialist services and making them resilient. I think there's an opportunity, and maybe that's the wrong word to use, with some of the work that we're doing in relation to long COVID. Can some of that also have a benefit for those that might be suffering from ME or CFS, for example, too? So that's one really clear message coming loud and clear from you guys. The second one, which is one where I've got quite a bit of concern about, is some of that disconnect that exists between those with living experience of the condition and some within the clinical community around things like graded exercise therapy and so on and so forth. So I'm working with my clinical colleagues. I have a number of senior doctors, clinicians who are working with me so we can reach out to the profession to see how we can get them closer to your way of thinking and to be able to support you as well. So I think I'll probably leave it there. I know there's a pledge there that is being signed by a number of MSPs. That pledge will come to us and we'll respond. I'm really appreciative of you, all of you who've made the time and effort to come to the Scottish Parliament. It is tiring and exhausting for anybody to necessarily make that trek, come here, stand out here for a couple of hours or a few hours or even longer. To do so for some of you I know who have either CFS or ME or other conditions, no doubt this will have quite an effect on you physically. I want to say that it's not in vain. As I say, you've got myself, you've actually got a couple of ministers. I see Ben McPherson's also here from the Scottish Government, so a few of us here to chat to you, to listen to you, to hear from you. But I promise you, absolutely hand on heart, one, we're listening, and two, we're going to continue to engage. So that's all there is from me. I think you've got more interesting people, no doubt, to hear from. I'm going to get back to some of the cute babies, but I'm also wanting to listen to you guys as well. So thanks very much for your time. Cheers.